Omar wants to study again. A story of hope and new beginnings meet. Omar, a hardworking man from Sudan who now lives in the United States. He works long hours in a warehouse, but he still carries a big dream in his heart. He wants to study again. When he discovers an information night at the community college, everything begins to change. Follow his first small steps toward a new future, new opportunities, and a new life. If you enjoy inspiring stories for English learners, this one will motivate you to keep going. Let's begin.
Omar is from Sudan. Now he lives in the United States. He lives in a small apartment in the city. Omar is tall and quiet. He works many hours every week, but he still has a big dream. He wants to study again. Every morning, Omar wakes up at 5:30 a.m. He makes coffee and eats bread with cheese. Then he takes the bus to his job. Omar works in a warehouse. He moves boxes, checks labels, and helps other workers. The job is hard, and he is tired at the end of the day, but he is thankful for the job. Before he came to the United States, Omar studied at a university in Sudan. He studied engineering. He liked his classes and his teachers. He liked math, machines, and problem solving. He finished 3 years at the university, but he did not finish the last year. There was trouble in his country. It was not safe. He had to leave. Now, Omar thinks about this a lot. I study for many years, he thinks, but my degree is not finished. Here in the United States, I work in a warehouse. It is okay, but I want more. I want to use my mind again. One evening after work, Omar sits at his small kitchen table. He looks at a paper from the community center. The paper says, Community College Information Night. Learn about English classes, job training, and college programs. Thursday, 6:30 p.m. Community Center Room 2. Omar reads the paper 2 times. English classes, job training, college programs. He says softly, maybe this is for me. On Thursday, he finishes work at 5:00 p.m. He is tired, but he goes to the community center. In room 2, there are many chairs and a big screen. A woman from the college stands at the front. Her name is Ms. Lee. She smiles and speaks slowly. Welcome, she says. Thank you for coming. I work at the community college. Tonight, I am going to give information about our classes. We have English classes. We have job training. We have college programs for the future. Omar listens carefully. Ms. Lee shows a slide with pictures of students in class, in a computer lab, and in a workshop. She explains about morning classes, evening classes, and online classes. She also explains about money and financial help. At the end, Ms. Lee says, if you have questions, you can come and talk to me. I am happy to help.
If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more real-life English stories for learners around the world. And good news, Omar's journey isn't over. Part 2 of this A1 short story is coming soon, so come back to see what happens next in Omar's new beginning. Want to keep learning right now? You can find the complete A1C2 real-life American English short story series in both the channel description and the video description. Each level is designed to help you build vocabulary, confidence, and fluency step by step.